Meaning of double helix.
Double helix.
Double helix.
Double helix.
Double helix. The term double helix refers to the twisted ladder-like structure of DNA, the molecule that carries genetic information in all living organisms. The double helix is composed of two complementary strands of nucleotides, the building blocks of DNA, that are held together by hydrogen bonds between nitrogenous bases. The shape of the double helix allows for easy replication and transmission of genetic information from generation to generation. The discovery of the double helix structure of DNA in 1953 by Watson and Crick is considered one of the most significant scientific breakthroughs of the 20th century.